promised me the world, I fell. Tell me you need space, but I'd still give you the stars just to heal. And you are bittersweet. One day you were mine, the next you vanished, leaving time behind. You make me bittersweet, a love I can't forget, worn out by the highs and lows we get. You're breaking down my barriers. You show up like a warrior. Your touch makes me feel lighter. You're the king, I'm your admirer. But we're tangled in this fire, a love too strong to retire. Our love is bittersweet. One day you will cut me, but I'll take your wings and leave all the pain behind. You look like the best mistake. I believe in all the love we fake. We run fast, afraid to fall, chasing ghosts that won't let us go. They haunt us like shadows on a broken street, flickering dreams we can't defeat. You're breaking down my barriers. You show up like a warrior. Your touch makes me feel lighter. You're the king, I'm your admirer. But we're tangled in this fire, a love too strong to retire. 'Cause you're the best mistake. I believe in all you break. We run fast, afraid to stay, chasing shadows that fade away. You're bittersweet, pull me in, but still I'm lost within. Can you look in my face? You opened the door, now you're gone. Tell me you need space. This distance feels like ice, freezing all we've known. The silence screams louder than the words we said. Now I'm left alone in the bed. 'Cause you're the best mistake. You run fast like we're afraid, but you leave me wanting more. We're lost in this never-ending war. You're breaking down my barriers. You show up like a warrior. Your touch makes me feel lighter. You're the king, I'm your admirer. But we're tangled in this fire, a love too strong to retire. When you leave, I'll remain a ghost of the love we couldn't tame. Swear it was yesterday that we were on our first date, and I kept the wristband. Swear it was yesterday that you said you thought we were fake, but now you're holding her hand. Were we ran over when you started talking to her? Were we ran over when you told her how you were hurt by me? Sure, she thinks you're so sweet. I'm sorry if what I said hurt your ego too much, but do you even care? You made me feel like I didn't deserve love. I hope you take her out to all her favorite places. I wonder if she'd love you when you still had your braces. You just have an ego, and finally I'm free. But you just have an ego that was way too big for me. Swear it was yesterday that you said you needed some space, but I don't think that she's thin air. Swear it was yesterday that you looked me right in my face.
up to the sun shining through the blinds. Had to leave the past behind, clear my mind. I've been through the lows, now I'm feeling high. Took some time to find my peace, now I fly. The road was rough, but I'm still on my feet. Now I see the beauty in the life I keep. So many lessons in the days gone by, but today's a new day, and I'm feeling alright. Good vibes all around. I'm living in the moment, no fear, no doubt. The past is behind me, I'm looking ahead. I'm feeling so blessed, I'm ahead of the thread. Good vibes, that's all I need. Spreading love, let it grow like a seed. No matter where I go, no matter where I've been, I'm taking in the good vibes, let the journey begin. The world's a canvas and I'm painting it bright. With every step I'm bringing the light. Life's too short to let the worries win. I'm learning how to laugh and breathe again. All the struggles made me who I am today. Now I see the sunshine and the clouds are gray. I'm taking the good with the bad, making it right. Got a fresh new outlook, and I'm feeling light. Oh, good vibes all around. I'm living in the moment, no fear, no doubt. The past is behind me, I'm looking ahead. I'm feeling so blessed, I'm ahead of the thread. Good vibes, that's all I need. Spreading love, let it grow like a seed. No matter where I go, no matter where I've been, I'm taking in the good vibes, let the journey begin. Let go of the past and open your heart. Every new day